Hello everyone, Maureen Atkinson here, founder of Life Shift. I would like to share with you today a simple yoga practice that is really focused on posture. And a lot of times because we're looking at our devices, because we look down a lot, we tend to start to get concave chest, shoulders roll in, and our back bends. So what we want to do in this practice is try and reverse some of that. And as a practice, I encourage you to keep doing some of these movements to help counteract that everyday kind of stress that we have in our bodies. It helps us breathe better, and it definitely makes us look younger. If you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up, or better still, press the subscribe button. We have also done a great little video on the building blocks of yoga, so don't miss that. Just click on it here or look for it in the end notes. So I'm going to start today with shoulder rolls. So again, as I said, we tend to bring our shoulders forward. So we're going to go roll back and down. So inhale up and back, exhale. And inhale up and exhale. And remember, in yoga, we always breathe in through our nose. So inhale up and exhale down. And then we're going to do a little movement that really helps us even more move those shoulders. So inhale, right arm up, and exhale, right arm down. Inhale, left arm up, exhale, left arm down. Again, inhale up, right arm, exhale down, right arm, inhale up, right arm, left arm, and exhale down. And then one last time, up and then down. Okay, so now we've got our shoulders mobile, and we're going to move into the movement of getting both arms up and try and stretch back a little bit, but don't throw your head back. Keep your head straight. And then down. If you find the forward move difficult, then bend down to either a wall or bend down to a wall or a chair or something like that. Don't go all the way down. But if you can, go all the way down. So let's go up, inhale, and then down, exhale. And then we're going to come up to flat back with the arms out in what we call airplane position. And again, that neck very flat and down again. Inhale back up and exhale down. One more time. Up and really reach back, but don't throw your head back. Keep it straight. And down. Up to flat back and down again. And finally, back up and down. Okay, so that gets us really moving, and we're going to move into a warrior one against the wall. And again, this is to open the chest and straighten that back. The warrior one, if you're familiar with it, we put our arms out like this. We're going to put the front leg forward, the back leg back, and we're going to push back and inhale, and then move into what is a wall version of downward dog. We're not going down to the floor, we're just going to the wall. and then coming back over to the other side. And again, feel that in your back as you keep your neck straight, but really push back against that opening your chest. Inhale, exhale as you go, and then inhale forward and stretching back. Exhale back to a downward dog. Just keep your head straight between your arms. Up again. Inhale, and then back. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And feel that in your the back as it really reverses that curve that we sometimes get as we're always looking down. But again, don't throw your head back. Keep it aligned and your chin locked. Okay, so that's our warrior one. So take a moment and do this throughout your practice. Just take a moment to feel. Feel how that feels in your body. Feel those muscles and the stretches. Everything should be easy. We're not in a competition here. We're not fighting for anything. We just want to loosen our bodies and expand our chest. We start off just facing the front of our mat, but we're going to take our left foot back, angle it a bit and a bit out from your other leg, bend your knee, and we go up and really reach back and curve that back, but don't throw your head back. And then exhale, arms forward. Inhale, put your arms behind your back and really open up your chest. And then inhale, exhale, arms forward, and inhale back and bring your back leg forward. So we'll do it on the other side. So we put our foot back, bend our knee, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So we'll do it 2 more times on each side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And last time, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Oh, feels so good. Exhale. Last time on this side, so right foot back, left knee forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, arms forward. Okay, so lots of curves there. So one of the things that you can do to actually, as a counter pose for what you've been doing back bends, so the natural counter pose for that is to do a forward bend. So we're going to do that just a couple of times, and arms up. And as I said, if putting your head down between your knees is too much, do it to a chair. But just let that release in your back, and then back up and down. And one more time, up, exhale, down, just release everything, release your head, inhale, up, and exhale back down. So those are some very simple movements that most of you should be able to do quite easily, but you'll find as you do them, you start to become much more aware of your posture. And so I hope that it is with repetition that these things become very effective. But remember, sort of the head and neck all aligned with the back of your back of your shoulders and the back of your pelvis. So really, and the shoulders back and down, released. You will be amazed at then how much better you are also able to breathe. This is Life Shift now saying namaste, and look for more videos to help improve your posture and increase your mobility with yoga. If you would like to see more Life Shift videos, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to sign up for regular emails on our website at www.lifeshift2isInshift.com.